Welcome to the Accountancy Learning AAT Sample Paper Debriefs. I'm Sarah, and in this video I'll take you through the Principles of Costing Sample Paper 2 Task 3. So this task is about recording costs. Part A asks us to identify how the following costs are classified. We are given 4 different things to answer, and we've got our options to choose from here. So direct and indirect costs. So this is whether it's a cost that is used in the production of our product, or if it's a cost that might be, for example, rent of an office, things like that aren't involved directly in production. So these are known as the nature of the cost. So is it direct in nature or indirect in nature? Materials, labour and overheads. So these are the different types of things that go into our costs. So they are known as elements. These are our elements of costs. We have to have elements of labour, materials and overheads to create our costs. Fixed, variable and semi-variable. So this is about how does the cost actually behave? So does it stay the same, i.e. is it a fixed cost? Does it move? Does the total cost change with the level of production? Or is there an element of both? So this is all about behaviour. And then a department is then just the function of that cost. Part B, we need to identify whether the following are advantages or disadvantages of coding systems. Ability to retrieve information easily and quickly. So this is an advantage. Having a coding system means that we're going to be able to find things easily and quickly, which makes time savings and ultimately cost savings. So that would be an advantage. Easy to miscode a bill. So yeah, this is going to be a disadvantage to coding systems because we may well choose the wrong code or we might do a typo. So it's fairly easy to miscode a bill. An accountancy practice sells various services to its range of clients. It uses an alphanumeric coding system in order to code its sales invoices as follows. Then we're given information about location codes, client codes and sale codes. For Part C, we need to code the following sales transactions using the coding system provided above. Now the first one here is given to us in the question. So we can see that it's completed by Bristol office, and that is the BO code. It's for client A, which is 001. And then it's for year-end accounts, which is the final 2 letters, the YE. So now we need to recreate that for the next 2 transactions. So we've got completed by East Anglian office. So our East Anglian office is EO, so that's going to be the first part of our code. It's for client C. So 003 is the next part of our code. And it's for a VAT return. So VR is the last part of the code. And then again we can do the same process. This time it's for the Devon office. So DO for client B, 002 and bookkeeping, BK. So take your time when you're going through these coding questions and make sure you understand the system that's been put in place for any that are given to you in the question, and then apply that same process for each transaction that you need to answer. And that's the end of task 3.